Carlos Ramirez, owner of NBS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So John, our returning client, we did the audio on his old bike, just got a brand new Road Glide. So we knew the music style that he liked. We were able to reuse half the equipment from his old build on his new build. We went with Hog Creation lowers. He liked the fog light integrated into the lowers, 8-inch mid-bass in the lowers. We went Cicada CMX in the upper fairing. We used 1200.2 to power the two Cicada 10s in the 10-inch mid-bass drivers in the saddlebags. We used a FLX 1400P DSP amplifier to drive the upper and lower fairing speakers. We did nothing in the lids this time around. Upgraded the battery to a Limitless nano lithium, all NBS audio, oxen-free copper wiring and RCAs. And then we RTA tuned the bike. Bike sounds phenomenal. Nice clean install. Check out the build.
This a black drum. Knew you nigga was different. Your man's booking, he ain't got nothing. I ain't killer after I paid for the lawyer. I should've styled him. Still my baby threats, but they little brothers, they some rascals. I know you my brother. I asked for money, you made a house. I like Adderalls, them overshapes, sound like the couch. Took her from the back, I grabbed her throat, she tryna wrestle. Stand in front of your bitch, she could've saved you. She had a tampon. I'm the only reason you still alive. You better believe. I be smoking dope gas, bro, roll up a Chevron. I done gave money, they brought some cars and weed and hammer on. Keep it P, we run our mouth to no block, this shit hammer on. Say you ain't the Jakes, but talk to Rex, I'm on your platform. I go hit for hit with your biggest rapper, he only got one. I go money for money with your biggest rapper, we ain't got none. I'm the only thing in the way they tryna slide. Lil' bro thirsty to pop out with the drink.
Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you died? Giving so much of yourself, it something.